Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2015 Cadillac SRX. This vehicle is featured in white metallic paint with alloy rims. We have rear privacy tint, all-wheel drive, power liftgate, sunroof, as well as heated and cooled leather seats and a heated steering wheel. Now on to the interior of the SRX. On the door panel we can see our two-tone black and gray, wood trim, chrome door handle, as well as our window and mirror controls, power liftgate controls, speaker and storage. We have our lighting controls off to the left here, gauge cluster with screen, steering wheel controls for cruise control, heated steering wheel and radio, full leather wrap steering wheel, once again it's heated. We have our push start, infotainment screen with navigation and backup camera, heated and cooled seat options, storage underneath there as well as a USB port and LED, CD player, gear selection stock and some storage in there, ashtray, it's also removable, two cup holders, padded leather center console lid, it's a two-tier center console, and we have our padded leather front seats, finished with perforated leather in the lower portion. On the rear view mirror we have OnStar controls, then a panoramic sunroof and moonroof overhead. Back onto the exterior we can see our alloy rims with Cadillac badge center caps. We have paint match mirror caps and chrome door handles, rear privacy tint, and around to the back of the vehicle we have our SRX and 3.6 liter badging as well as dual exhaust. Onto the rear interior we also have our two-tone door panel, chrome door handle, window switch, speaker and storage. Back of the front seats we have mesh magazine holders, and back of the center console we have our rear climate controls and heated seat options. Underneath we have charging outlets. Then our rear seats featured in a 60/40 with fold down center seat featuring two cup holders inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2015 Cadillac SRX. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.